Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel with a new video. So in this video I am going to show you how to use AirDrop in iPhone. So you can know that iPhone has an AirDrop, which means you can share any files, any data with another iPhone by using AirDrop. So this is the basic advantage of AirDrop, like you can send any file at any time with AirDrop. It's very easy and useful option in an iPhone user. So let's start the video how you can set your AirDrop on and how you can share and receive data. So here you can see on the top bar, you scroll down and here you can see the option of AirDrop. From here I'm not using, let's go to the setting. From setting, here you can see there's an option of journal. You have to go on journal. Under the accessibility you can see journal, you have to go on that. Now you can see there's an option of AirDrop. You have to press on that. After pressing on AirDrop, your device is ready to receive any data, any information, or send any data, any information from other iPhone. So here you can see there are three options: receiving off, contacts only, and everyone for 10 minutes. If it's on, it's mean that you can share data for 10 minutes with everyone. There's one option, and the second option is contacts only, like all the people in your mobile phone that have access can share data and receive data. And receiving off means no one can receive data or no one can send data to you. So this is the meaning of three options. Now you can see under that, bringing devices together. If two devices are together, like at the same place, they can also share data using AirDrop. In the one option is that if your Wi-Fi it doesn't work, so you can also use mobile data and SIM data and share AirDrop information. So this is very useful. Thank you so much for watching the video. Stay tuned for the next video. Don't forget to hit the bell icon and subscribe the channel. Let's move to the next video. Thank you so much for watching the video.